Vacation Diaries. We are at LA. I love running in the sand and playing in the Santa Monica sunset. We're in LA. Do you know LA is the city of angels? I love the energy in LA. It's my favorite city in the world. I feel like I can fly and the world is full of magic. I love the sand and the sun is so bright and pretty. I went to American Girl. Since I was a baby, I loved American Girl dolls. You can get one that just looks like you. I wandered around the store with my mom. And I got welly wishers and I bought a big tent. It's so much fun shopping at American Girl. It's so sunny and pretty. I love to walk around everywhere. Do you know we went to the Grove in LA? I really had fun hanging out at the Grove. There's so much space to run around. I met my Uncle Adam there, even Melissa. I love my Uncle Adam. He's super cool. After this, we went to the beach. We went to Venice Beach. Venice Beach is really cool and it has a lot of shops. I saw some really cool things at the beach. It was so pretty and there were a lot of people. Look at the beautiful palm trees in the sunset. Wherever I walk, the streets are full of music.
I won't cry, no, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. Stand by me, stand by me.
The ocean, the music, the Santa Monica Pier, the huge Ferris wheel. I just love my time in LA.